Today's video is all about our top 10 cheap Amazon favorites. We've scoured Amazon to find the best deals on some amazing products that we think you'll love. Let's find out what these products are. Introducing LC Dolita Sleep Headphones, a perfect solution to your sleep woes. With Bluetooth 5.2 technology, enjoy soothing white noise and nature sounds wirelessly. Block out light with its unique 3D contoured design and experience 10+ hours of uninterrupted bliss. Enjoy the Yolitas Portable Neck Fan, your ticket to staying cool on the go. With its adjustable, bending structure and wearable design, it provides unparalleled comfort and convenience. Enjoy a hands-free cooling experience and embrace refreshing air wherever, whenever. Tired of tangled cables and multiple adapters? Yasimla Multi-Charging Cable Case has your back. With 4 ports of seamless charging and data transfer, this compact and durable case is your all-in-one solution. Tired of sitting all day? Transform your workspace with the Underdesk Bike and Pedal Exerciser. Burn calories, tone muscles, and boost circulation while you work. With adjustable resistance, non-slip pedals, and an LCD screen, it is the perfect fitness solution for your home office. Crafted with adjustable straps and 2 high-intensity LEDs, Mocha Bay cotton gloves provide seamless lighting for fishing, electrical work, and confined spaces. Now you can light up your surroundings wherever you are. Looking for a sustainable solution to endless note-taking? Look no further than the Rocketbook Smart Reusable Notebook. Write, scan, and wipe away to your heart's content. With cloud compatibility and advanced AI features, organizing your notes has never been easier. Embark on nocturnal literary adventures with the remarkable Glowcusant LED neck reading light. Offering 3 color modes and 6 adjustable brightness levels, this rechargeable and ergonomically designed accessory eliminates eye strain while allowing you to read without disturbing anyone's sleep. Experience the thrill of a cinema right at your fingertips with the 14-inch phone screen magnifier stand. Its high-resolution optical technology magnifies your screen 2 to 4 times, protecting your eyes while providing a clear, ultra-immersive view. Experience a change in lighting with the Dimment LED floor lamp. Featuring 112 high-brightness LEDs and customizable colors and brightness, this lamp sets the ideal atmosphere for every occasion. Discover the perfect blend of power and portability with the Smart Devil USB desk fan. Despite its compact size, this fan delivers a strong gust of wind with its streamlined blades. Unleash the full potential of connectivity with the remarkable Netgear Wi-Fi Range Extender EX3700. Bid farewell to frustrating Wi-Fi dead spots as it extends coverage up to 1,000 square feet, effortlessly linking up to 15 devices. Tired of carrying multiple chargers while traveling? Sonorch Universal Travel Power Adapter has you covered. With 5 charging ports, including a high-speed USB-C and compatibility with over 150 countries, it's the perfect solution for all your charging needs worldwide. Introducing the 7D Smart Dash Cam Adapter, your road companion for capturing crystal clear HD footage even in low-light conditions. With voice control and a built-in G sensor, it ensures your safety while loop recording and protecting valuable evidence. Tired of sipping lukewarm coffee at work? Enigma Coffee Mug Warmer for Desk is here to save the day. With 3 temperature settings, eco-friendly features, and compatibility with any type of cup, it helps you keep your beverage hot and your taste buds happy. Looking for a hands-free solution that combines sound and convenience? Say hello to the cell phone stand with wireless Bluetooth speaker. Adjustable angles, non-slip protection, and compatibility with various devices, plus it doubles as a speaker. Elevate your photography game with the Zenvo Pro Lens Kit for iPhone and Android. This kit allows you to capture stunning wide-angle landscapes and detailed macro shots. Experience clarity and durability with premium lenses. Incor white cable clips prevents excessive bending and fraying of your phone charging cables, USB cords, and more. Made of flexible silicone and featuring a strong adhesive pad, they're perfect for keeping your room tidy and organized. Experience the epitome of comfort and support with the Memzuix 2.4G wireless mouse. Its modern contoured shape, sweat-resistant finish, and finger rest ensure maximum hand feeling. With easy plug-and-play functionality, long working distance, and wide compatibility, it's the ultimate mouse for work or play. How about a magnetic levitation floating globe with LED lights? Witness this amazing sight of a globe defying gravity, hovering in midair, radiating a kaleidoscope of colors. With its power-off protection and energy-saving design, it adds an exquisite and functional touch to any home or office setting. Immerse yourself in music while showering with the Aboda Bluetooth shower speaker. Its IP67 waterproof rating allows it to withstand water, snow, and even float after a plunge. With crystal clear sound, LED light patterns, stable Bluetooth connection, and portability, it's perfect for any shower.